On Friday, June 17, 2022, Nigeria joined the global community to mark the year 2022 World Desertification and Drought Day, WDDD, in which the government particularly restated its commitment to combating drought, desertification, and land degradation so as to achieve the restoration agenda of land degradation neutrality by 2030. The Minister of Environment, Mohammed Abdullahi, who spoke at a commemorative event to mark the day in Abuja, says the agenda, or rather the action plans of government for the management of drought and desertification, is in consonance with the Great Green Wall Initiative, which seeks to mitigate water scarcity in the Sahel and Sahara regions. Available record shows that from 1970 to 2019, weather, climate, and water hazards accounted for about 50% of disasters and 45% deaths, mostly in developing countries. The federal government, in commemoration of the 2022 World Desertification and Drought Day, wants the citizens to rise up to the challenges of drought in the country.
Drought is increasing in frequency and severity and is predicted to affect over 3/4 of the world's population by 2050. Nigeria has developed a workable national action plan for the management of drought. Proactively, a 5-year strategic plan that will engender coordinated efforts for building resilience against climate change, desertification, and other climate-driven environmental challenges.
Desertification and drought management will play a crucial role in strengthening the resilience of rural communities against climate shocks by securing and improving the provision of vital ecosystem services.
Desert encroachment for the past decades has affected the economic livelihood of the local population living in the Sahel areas. This is why experts in the environment sector are advocating for the use of global best practice in the monitoring of desertification in the country.
Usually a very big challenge to monitor desertification using terrestrial means. So the global best practice is to look up to space. And the advantage that space provides is that it gives you the synoptic view of your area of interest. In other words, because the satellites are up there, it gives you the ability to be able to see a very wide area over a period of time.
The Federal Ministry of Environment has taken the first step by making the symbolic tree planting exercise to sensitize the populace on how to mitigate the impact of drought in dry climate.